Hey guys, it's Koogly again with another video, and this time I've got an unboxing video. I made a lot of purchases, so there are gonna be a lot more, so stay tuned for that. So guys, this time I've got a power bank. Now, what is so important about power bank? The reason I want to make this video, which is an unboxing and a quick look at everything which is available here, is I made a video previously which was mostly an overview of this power bank, which is the Coolnut 20,000 milliamp hour power bank and all that. I did a full-on test with it with my one device, a fixed value and all that. So I made a huge report on that. You can go check that out. It will be in the link in the description below. That has been well over a year now, and well, it's been a while, and this one still works. As you can see, it is still showing the percentage. If you can see the percentage, well, it is percentage. In any case, it is working pretty well, but I need another power bank now because, well, of course, my needs have increased. I have more phones now, and I have a few other stuff which requires a little bit more of that oomph. So I bought a new power bank, which is this one. It is the Ambrane 20,000 milliamp polymer, which is lithium polymer power bank. Now, the difference between lithium polymer and a lithium ion cell, which is available in this one, is not much. A lithium polymer can be packed in a very different manner rather than the cylindrical units which will be found in something like a traditional power bank. So that is the basic difference. Other than that, there is definitely nothing else. If you are wondering about it, you can go search about it if you are interested in that. But let's get started with the unboxing. So this is the Ambrane power bank. It is the Stylo-20K, which stands for 20K, and it is made in India, and the Indian flag is absolutely abominable in this one because it is not a real one. I'm not sure why. And it also doesn't have the Make in India symbol, which is interesting. So it says that it is the India's leading mobile accessory brand, which I don't know. In any case, okay, Ambrane Style is a 20,000 milliamp power bank with high density polymer battery, dual input micro and type C input. So that is one thing which I was pretty interested in this one about. It does have a USB type C input, no output. My big thing is I use OnePlus devices. Okay, I use a OnePlus 7 Pro, and I have a lot of OnePlus devices, and even my headphone is a USB type C, so I can use one cable to charge all of them whenever I'm traveling, so that reduces clutter for me. That is a huge deal for me, so I was pretty amped up about that. Now, for some reason, the Stylo-20K is this one. I mean, it says it is Stylo-20K here, but in the same vein, it also says that it is model number is PP-205, which is, I'm not sure what this one is. So yeah, the model number is this one, 20,000 cell capacity, lithium polymer. Input is a 5 volt 2.1 amp, so no quick charging, no fast charging or any of that good stuff. You have to wait for this to get charged, and it does take about a whole day to get charged. USB output is 2.4 amp, again, no quick charging or anything of that sort. 2 USB ports. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with it. Charge time, it says that it is 12 to 14 hours. It can be more than that, so don't worry about it. 180 days warranty, which is 6 months, and it says hashtag stay connected. So let's get on with the unboxing, or just let's open up the package. So we'll put that aside. It again says that it is #1 power bank brand. I'm honestly not sure if it is #1 power bank brand or the #1 accessory brand. Anyways, let's open it up and see what is available. So okay, opening it up, we see that there is a pouch. Okay, it comes with a pouch, which is interesting, and here is the power bank and the accessories which are available. So in the name of accessories, we get a USB. Okay, it is a micro USB cable. I would have hoped for a USB type C cable because we are in shortage of that, so that is available. And the power bank itself, so the power bank itself is available in this one. Let's try and pry it open from this case, which is pretty damn. It does come with a thanks for choosing Ambrane, made in India stuff, rate us and all that, which for some reason was underneath the box. It has a user manual which shows how to use it and all that, and that is pretty much it. I mean, you know how to use a power bank. If you don't know how to use a power bank, I mean, seriously, you need to reevaluate yourselves. So there you have it. That is the power bank. Let's open it up. Now, I do have to be honest, I have opened this up and I have actually charged this and been using this for a very very short amount of time. I have used this for just checking out if everything is working. That is something you will have to do whenever you are buying stuff from online nowadays. It does come with a pouch, so you can carry it without getting scratches on this. I mean, the whole point of this thing, in my opinion, is that it is a more compact unit. Now this is the previous 20,000 milliamp power bank which I have, and this is the current one. So as you can see, the size difference is pretty substantial. Thickness difference is well, this is thicker, but for comparing it with the 20,000 milliamp power output, not very thick. So that is one thing. And weight wise also is pretty much comparable. This is slightly lighter in my opinion. So that is pretty much the difference. I do want to let you guys know that this is the interface. It comes with a USB Type-C input and also a micro USB input, which is interesting, and I really like that. I would have loved to have USB Type-C PD output also, which honestly, I mean, at this price point you cannot expect it. And it comes with a touch sensitive spot here. It is not really a button, so if you tap it, if you double tap it, it will show you the indication. So as you can see, it is showing full charge now, and if you triple tap it, it will go off. And that is pretty much it. And you can connect your devices here. Conveniently, I have my headphone here. I will just show you guys how it auto detects. And yes, it does have auto detect, which is an improvement over my previous power bank. My previous power bank, I had to press the power button to get it to charge. This one does have auto detect, which is available, which is pretty interesting. I like that. And being a 20,000 milliamp hour battery bank, you can charge a lot of things with it. So that is pretty much it. Now do let me know if you want an in-depth video on the capacity, the actual capacity of this one with a known variable, like I did with this power bank. Let me be very straight, it will never be 20,000 milliamp hour. The battery capacity may be 20,000 milliamp hour, but you will never get 20,000 milliamp hours into your phone by multiple charges, because, well, there is a lot of losses. The phone has things working for it, so it is consuming power and all that. If you do want to have a in-depth video on how much power this thing actually can give to one of my devices, well, I'll be trying to give you guys an option in that. That is pretty much it with the Ambrane Stylo-20K, or it's called the PP-205, whichever name you want to accept. It is available, and yeah, that is pretty much it with the overview of this one. Do let me know if you have any questions about it. Hope you like the video. Please share, subscribe, and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time.